how to pay DoorDash with a gift card. So what I've done here is I've just loaded up the DoorDash application, and I'm going to click on me in the bottom right corner. So after we're taken to this screen, what we want to do is just click on settings, and here you will see payment. So this is the second option for me, so I'm just going to click on payment. And you should be able to see here an option called redeem gift card near the bottom. It's right here over invite friends to earn credit. So if I click on redeem gift card, it's going to ask me for the gift card pin. So you can just type out or copy and paste the gift card pin here, and then we can select redeem to your account. Now, if you have used a successful and working gift card, this is going to be added to your account. And the next time you make a purchase using DoorDash, then you can select the gift card or your credit as a payment method. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.